For this video, I'm going to show how to route traffic from your domain to, like let's say your domain's here, to a web server that's running on a virtual machine. So anyway, I created this virtual machine, and it has a public IP address, and it's just standard, Windows. And I installed IIS on it, and I also saved a HTML file on it. So I want it to be that when I put in its public IP address, it actually goes to a certain domain, like let's say Microsoft, whatever, instead of this. So you go to your domain provider, and I don't have one, so I'm just gonna explain what to do, but not actually do it. Like it could be GoDaddy or wherever else you have your domain. So let's say you buy the domain name from your provider of Microsoft.com. Then you could create an A record, and then that's a type, and then the host you just put at, and then points to, and you want to point to the public IP address here. And there's different records you could do. You could do like CNAME, which it could be www. They put in www.microsoft.com, whatever. It'll redirect them to this public IP address. So this, instead of typing in the actual public IP, you put in Microsoft.com, it'll still redirect you here. And that's what using a domain name does. So I'm just showing how to map a domain onto a workload. Like if it was a load balancer that you're using for virtual machines, then you would just point it to the public IP of the load balancer.